Hey guys, this is Robogear. Yes, I'm crazy. I'm Pro Tinker and I love toys. Okay, so this is Robogear and it's a Russian toy. It's a game kind of like Warhammer 40K, and you basically build your figures. They're little. You snap them out. No glue required. You just snap them together, and they have little rockets in them. Some have rockets in them that you can put inside. Like for example, this is called the Spider, and you can put the the ammo in. Now, of course, they don't want to snap in. There we go. And then you push the button. Here we go, the lever right here, and it'll fire. There we go. Got him right in the stomach. Okay, now this is I've got like 9 different figures here. You get there are 9 figures, and then there's the game, Robogear the game, which you get like 7 or 8 figures in it. It's really cool. I'm gonna do a video on the game in a minute, but you basically snap together. Now I show them painted. You know, a couple years ago I painted all these, and they're really cool. You know, like this is one of my favorite. This is Mad Bull. I think this is Mad Bull. You know, and so you can really do very detailed painting of of your army before you battle. They got airplanes, and it's a game, and you just kind of battle. You could build up as many vehicles you want in your army, and there's 10 different vehicles. Now this is the Werewolf. This is what the boxes look like, the instructions on how to put them together, and that's Mad Bull right there. Okay. And there's 10 of them, and then also you get the game set, which is an assorted figures, and then you get like a battlefield. Okay, they're really cool. They're not very expensive. They're retail like $12.99, and I got them a good price. They're like $2 or $3 or $5, I think, right now on sale. $5. So get into Robogear, get your army together, and have fun together with your dad or with your son, and just build a big army. Okay, go Robogear.